Hey guys, I'm Adam and today I'm going to show you how to integrate ChatGPT with WhatsApp. First of all, head over to the OpenAI website, which is also the website of ChatGPT. You have to log in with your account and select on API. On this page, you have to select API reference. On the authentication section, you have to click on API keys. Create a new secret key and make sure do not share this secret key with anyone other than yourself. And then you have to hold on to this page and open a new tab and open Twilio.com. You can create a free account on Twilio.com, or before proceeding on the Twilio, you can also check their pricing. Click on pricing and click on see all pricing. If you scroll down a bit, here you will see WhatsApp Business API. You can use this API to reach users around the world with the Conversations API or Programmable Messaging API. It will use a sandbox for application testing and also API-powered text and template messaging, managed WhatsApp container infrastructure. You can see the pricing in front of it. To see the pricing in detail, you can also click View WhatsApp Pricing. From here, you can select your country of residence and select the number of conversations and number of messages. The more conversations and number of messages you want, the more price you have to pay. Once you are satisfied with the pricing, you will get all of the information and the instructions that you need to integrate your ChatGPT with your WhatsApp business. And that's how you can integrate ChatGPT with your WhatsApp. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.